In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn an image into a moving video using Runway AI. So I've tried some sample videos here. You can see this is an image and then she turns into a video. So all these we are using free tools. We are using ImageFX and we're going to use DeepSeek or ChatGPT to generate the prompt. So you can see I generated some nice images. Now first you gotta come up with a image prompt. You can use ChatGPT or DeepSeek. In this video I'm gonna use DeepSeek. An image prompt of a young beautiful Asian on the beach as an example. So you can come up with your own imagination, what kind of scene you want, whether it's on the beach, on the club, what kind of woman you want. So this is the prompt we can use, and there are some optional enhancements that we can add into the prompt. So we just copy this and you can go to ImageFX. Just search it on Google, guys. Here's the link, and then you click on it, you log in, and then this is the page. Just paste in the prompt there. Also you can add some of these other enhancements if you want. Okay, I'm gonna paste it. And the size here, I'll just keep it landscape, and then I will click on create. Now if ImageFX is not available in your country, you can use a VPN. So this is the one that I use. You can see right here, I already turned it on. Again, it's free, and that's how I'm able to access ImageFX, although it is not available in my country. Alright, so we got our images. It looks very good. I especially like this one. I love this one. You can just download it. You guys can click on this button here to download. After that, we're gonna come to Runway ML. You can just search it on Google. This is the one, okay? And once you log in, you wanna go to generate videos. Okay, click on generate videos. And you want to drop an image that you got from ImageFX. So I have got some images there. I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna open it up. Once it's done uploading, you can give a prompt here. So what you want this image to happen. So for example, I want to say the woman walked on the beach gracefully. The wind is blowing her dress and everything moves naturally. So for example, these are the prompt that I want. So you can set the model. If you use free account, we can only choose Gen 4 Turbo, and then the duration you can set to 10 seconds or 5 seconds. And I'm gonna click on generate. I would say this is perfect. This is cool. You just need to add some audio and background music and sound effects, and this is the final result. If you like this video, guys, make sure you subscribe for more and like this video. Hit the like button and comment down below to help support this channel. I will make more videos about AI. In the meantime, you can watch these other videos right here.